Professor Star. Now look for me, man. Sure.
Well, this is the
This look for me get me nervous, sir.
foreign mind. I must say that.
Boy, will you know you condition in there?
Yeah, but what here?
Me hot, man.
Oh, you move some, man. Just cool and calm down, no, man. Me don't show you how the
Calm
things.
down.
Rude boys. Me say, you sit down here, sir, and me and my brethren run down here, sir. A peer contacts we have done here, sir, rude boy. Alright, let me go over it one more time with you.
Yeah, man. That's even for morning.
This when me go inside there,
Yeah.
me go talk loud. Now, it's everything where you hear with me say, more you answer this question when you go inside in the same sequence. Because the same way she go ask you the question then.
Oh.
Because me done line it up already now. My brethren tell me how them ask the question them down
Oh.
there.
So
See?
anything you say, me must say.
You must say. See, from you go about it the way that you can't go wrong.
Cause anything she asks you,
And
and
the
he
same
shall
thing
ask
she
me.
ask me. What we have done here, sir?
Me no know.
Contacts.
Oh, contracts.
And
Yeah,
what
man.
you must get. Visa.
Yes, visa.
And where we must go. Foreign.
Oh. Me
See.
must get the visa.
And you must go foreign.
Oh, we must go foreign.
And you have contacts.
Cause
down
your
here, sir.
contracts done here.
Just remember,
Ain't that if it's a long time, man?
It's once I go inside there, sir.
Yeah.
Just listen to me. I go talk loud, very loud. And you hear what I say.
Yeah, man.
Follow the same order come down.
Same order.
You cool?
Mm-hmm.
Where we must get?
Visa, man.
Where we must go?
Foreign.
Where me have done here, sir?
Contracts. Are you near
Hold
me,
on, hold on.
man?
Next! Next!
And we them a card. Me
We?
are going. Remember, you know. Contacts, visa, foreign, must go.
So if you come with you or something. Oh. Me I go and hold the seat till you come back here. I go and hold the seat till you come back. Lady, my seat, doesn't it? Woman, my seat, the stump on your star. Get up my jacket, man.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
Sir, I'm going to ask you some basic questions. Your name, address, and so on.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your name?
Clive Barnabas Brown.
What is your address?
33 and a half Constant Spring Road.
Sir, I can hear you perfectly clear. You don't have to shout.
Sorry, ma'am. You're here? I mean,
How
you here?
old are you?
What now?
How old are you?
36.
Do you have children?
Yes, ma'am. 3. I mean, 3, ma'am.
So, Clive Barnabas Jones. No, Clive Barnabas Brown. 33 and a half Constant Spring Road, the second one.
Okay, sir. We have decided to grant you a tenure, multiple indefinite.
Thank you, ma'am.
Would you
Sorry.
prefer to travel by plane or boat?
Boat, ma'am. Definitely boat.
Boat. We don't want that. Boat.
Okay, sir. Enjoy
Yes.
your stay in the United States.
I will, ma'am. And you enjoy the rest
Clive
of the day. Thank you very much.
Barnabas Jones.
Next.
5 questions more.
Next!
Me must get visa. Must get my visa.
Next!
Must get
Yeah,
my
you know them
visa.
attack.
Contracts like that, sir.
Go on, man.
Me?
Yes, you wanna hear them say next.
Me don't know next time. Me don't hear about.
Number 28.
28. 28. I'm my number that, you know. I'm my number that. You could do some number call star.
Good morning.
Man,
Have a seat.
thanks.
Sir, I mean to sit down.
Oh. Me know that.
May I have your passport? Okay, sir, I'm going to ask you some basic questions, your name and so on.
Ask me anything.
What is your address?
Clive Barnabas Brown.
Did you hear what I said?
Hear me here, man. Perfectly clear.
What is your name?
33 and a half Constant Spring Road.
This is not a joke, you know, sir.
No, man. Me dead serious.
Do you have any children?
Yes. 36.
36. So how old are you?
3.
Sir, are you a damn fool or a blasted jackass?
Both. Definitely both. Tell him something. Me get the visa.
Next.
Somebody get the visa.
Next.
Why that boy villa, yes, man. Very misleading.